Hey guys, this is the man too ugly for YouTube. Um, just wanted to make a quick video. It's more or less a test of the audio here. The last video I used the microphone built into my iPad, which is how I'm recording this video. Right now I don't have anything better than that, but I did remember that I had an iRig mic, so I hooked that up. I'm testing it out. Hopefully I can figure out a better video solution next time. In the meantime, I'm just going to keep using this if I can't. What else? The plan here is to eventually be able to use this mic. It's MXL 990. That'll be pretty good voice quality. So let's see, what have I been up to? Right now I'm too ugly to work, so I'm just basically hanging out. I'm looking for a job that would be suitable for me and my disability. In the meantime, I'm playing a lot of Xbox. I'm playing Madden 25, GTA 5. I already beat GTA 5. I got to 82%. I beat all the missions. I was going to keep going with it, but I started playing online, then I got bored with that, gave up on the whole game for a while. Came back to it, realized the file was missing, so I started the whole game over. I got to like 15% last night, and then I got bored. Other than that, played a little Path of Exile today for the first time. It was okay. It reminded me a lot of Diablo, obviously. Oh, one thing. You guys probably want to know a little bit about my experiences. In my last video, I talked a little bit about being left out of company Christmas cards in the picture. That actually is a true story. I wasn't making that up. But what I was thinking, instead of me sitting here and telling you about my life, I would just write a song. So look forward to that. It'll probably just highlight the key things that you'd want to know anyways. There's a lot of stuff, because I mean, if I'm too ugly to even be on YouTube, there must be some pretty messed up things that happen to me. And you guys have seen it. There's some pretty ugly people on YouTube, so if I can't make it there, you guys get the picture. Alright, well, I'll check back in with you guys later. Peace.